Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for wavy hair. Start by choosing a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo to protect your natural wave pattern and prevent dryness. When conditioning, focus on the mid-lengths and ends, not the scalp, to avoid weighing down your waves. A quick rinse with cool water helps seal the hair cuticle, locking in moisture and boosting shine for healthier-looking hair. After washing, apply a small amount of leave-in conditioner or a lightweight curl cream to your damp hair. Gently scrunch your waves upwards to help them form and define their natural shape. For drying, air drying is ideal, but if you're in a hurry, use a diffuser attachment on your hairdryer with a low heat setting to minimize frizz and maintain your beautiful waves. Choosing the right products is crucial for wavy hair. Opt for lightweight formulas that enhance your waves without making them feel greasy or heavy. Look for nourishing ingredients such as argan oil or shea butter to provide essential moisture. Try to avoid products with heavy oils or silicones, as these can lead to product buildup and weigh down your natural wave pattern over time. Maintaining your waves between washes is simple. At night, protect your hair by sleeping on a silk pillowcase or wearing a silk bonnet to reduce friction and frizz. On second-day hair, a light mist of water or a curl refreshing spray can revive your waves. Remember to get regular trims, typically every 8 to 12 weeks, to keep your ends healthy and prevent breakage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.